Everyone, welcome back. So, Enola Holmes 3 delivers another thrilling mystery, but this time it's Sherlock Holmes who needs rescuing. The story begins in Malta, where Enola and Tewkesbury are preparing for their wedding. However, Enola starts questioning whether marriage will force her to give up her independence and detective career. Before the ceremony can begin, Sherlock mysteriously disappears. Soon after, Lady Tewkesbury is also kidnapped, forcing Enola to put her wedding on hold. Following a trail of cryptic clues, including Morse code messages and pieces of lace, Enola believes Sherlock is secretly guiding her. But after several dangerous encounters, she discovers the shocking truth. The clues were planted by her old enemy, Moriarty. Moriarty has kidnapped both Sherlock and Lady Tewkesbury, not just for revenge but to force Enola to uncover a hidden treasure. The mystery leads to a gold stolen from Afghanistan during the Battle of Khost by British soldiers, including Tewkesbury's father. Filled with guilt, he secretly hid the treasure in Malta years earlier. Realizing Moriarty has manipulated her from the very beginning, Enola tracks down the hidden gold. She pretends to hand it over, but instead fights Moriarty in an intense final showdown. Sherlock, Lady Tewkesbury, and Enola work together to overpower the criminal mastermind, leading to a Moriarty's arrest once again. With the mystery finally solved, one question remains: will Enola and Tewkesbury still get married? Although Enola truly loves Tewkesbury, she fears becoming a traditional noblewoman and losing her freedom. Instead of ending their relationship, the couple finds a compromise. Tewkesbury agrees that Enola won't have to take his aristocratic title or live by society's restrictive expectations. She can remain the independent detective she has always been. Satisfied with that decision, the couple finally ties the knot in a second wedding ceremony with Enola's mother, Eudoria, officiating the marriage. The ending perfectly balanced romance and adventure. Sherlock is saved, Moriarty is defeated, the hidden treasure mystery is resolved, and Enola proves she doesn't have to choose between love and independence. Instead, she creates a future where she can have both, setting up exciting possibilities for future adventures. Thank you for watching. Bye.